विद्राणे रुद्रवृन्दे सवितरतरले भजने ध्वस्तवज्रे जाता शङ्का शशाङ्के विरमतिमरुते त्यक्तवैरे कुबेरे वैकुण्ठे कुण्ठिताश्रे महिषमतिर्सम्पौरुषोपघ्ननिघ्नं निर्विघ्नं निघ्नति वा समयत दुरितं भूरिभावा भवानी समयतु दुरितं भूरिभावा भवानी. My dear friends, Navratri fast festival is going on all over India and abroad, and today I would like to discuss with you some practical application. You are food addicted. The person who is food addicted can never think also to keep fast, even a single day. Neither he can skip lunch, nor breakfast, nor dinner, or any available meals. He cannot skip. It is because of food addiction. And Navratri fast festival is a festival to remove your food addiction, because this food addiction is the root cause of your all the mega problems, which are really lethal. And to keep fast is a way to stop all these mega diseases from our whole of the life. Definitely, if you don't like to keep fast, it means you like to die with diabetes, with brain choke, with heart attack, with cancer, and with Alzheimer. All the mega problems you love too much, therefore you don't love to keep fast. This is the straightforward meaning of not keeping the fast. The people think, if I will not eat, I will die. But having eating for 20 years, you have made the reason, the causes to die, and you don't think about those. What nonsense is going on? Some people think that why should I keep fast when we have everything? We are rich person, we have everything to eat, but why should we keep fast? So, my dear friends, you must know the difference between starvation and the fasting. If you have nothing to eat, then you will starve. And if you have everything to eat, then you avoid eating, and that is known as a fast. So it is a very scientific method. Within 9 days, the root causes of all the mega problems or the mega health problems are finished from the life. So in practical application, what would you feel? Today I would like to discuss that too. First day you will feel hunger, because it is addiction, it is your habit to eat. In the same time you will feel hunger, in which time you take your meal. Suppose that 11 o'clock you take your lunch. So at 11 o'clock definitely you will feel hunger. You will feel some uneasiness. You will think about food, and you will be little abnormal. But care it, in which time really you take your meal, whether that is dinner or lunch. In the same time you have to take nothing, then it is fast. And if you take a little thing also, then it's not fastotherapy, because 100% benefit of fasting is not achieved if you take something in the same time. You take before that time a little quantity of juice, not exactly in that time when you take daily regularly, or after 1 hour, you take some juice, one glass of juice or some fruits, but not at exact time. Why I am saying this? Because in which time you are accustomed or habituated to take the food, so if you don't take at that time, so your autophagy starts so fast. Autophagy, a natural healing procedure within your body, a natural healing process within the body that always eats all the venomous items within the body, that's known as toxic material within the body, and they are removed. Even dead cells also the root cause of cancer in future, so that cell also is digested by this autophagical function within the body. So in the same way, in the dinner, in which time you take something, you have deliberately not to take at that time. You have to avoid that time. Either you have to take a little juice or some fruits before, half an hour at least, and of your exact time, or after 1 hour, because you will let autophagy do its starting, and it's a fast starting. So the process will be fast, and that will remove all the all the toxic materials, or that will detoxinate the body, or the unwanted venomous materials from the body, which are actually the reason or the cause for the mega diseases. So that starts. So this is the precaution, and you have to strengthen your willpower, and you have to keep your health all the time perfect. So can you imagine how our sages thought over about this formulation or about this prescription? Why our sages will like that you should not eat and you must starve? No, because of a wonderful this is the wonderful data. 85% people die because of heart attack. All over world, all over deaths, there is the percentage of heart attack, and heart attack is a Mahishasur according to Devi Bhagavad Puran. So that Mahishasur, the demon Mahisa, kills 85% people all over the world. And definitely they don't keep fast, they don't like to keep fast, they don't like to enjoy the fast festival, and they have been taking meals continuously. They have never skipped neither lunch nor breakfast nor dinner or anything, many things which are not necessary for the health. Even then they take as alcohol or any drug. They are addicted. They are not addicted to only alcohol or any other drug material, but they are addicted to food also. They cannot skip even a single meal, a single lunch or dinner. This is the problem. So if you are an intelligent person, if you are a sagacious person, you must understand the importance of this autophagical formulation of the sages that keeps you away from all the mega diseases. And at last, I would like to give one mantra, because this is spirituotherapy also. Fastotherapy is it is immunotherapy, and it's fastotherapy. It's autophagy also there, and everything. Lymphantotherapy also, this is known, and also physiotherapy. And it is not only all these therapy, but it's a psychotherapy also. So this is the boon of sages. And at last, one mantra I give you. If you want your health, your money, your prosperity, learning, everything else, so there is a mantra. My guru also told me, so today I am revealing that mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Klim Kalikayai Namaha. Clear? If you want to finish your enemies, and if you want to finish your diseases and all the disturbing element all around your life, then you have to use Om Kali Kayai Namah. At last, mantra is same. Om. If you want money, then Om Aim Hrim Shrim Klim Mahalakshmi Namah. Then you have to use the word Mahalakshmi in the place of Kali Kayai. In the same way, if you want learning, creative activity, wisdom, art, and craft, then you have to chant this mantra for Saraswati. So Om Aim Hrim Shrim Klim Saraswatyai Namaha. So mantra is same, but what you want from the goddess, so this mantra will delete all the obstacles coming in your in your wanting thing, whether that is learning, money, or enemies. So all the obstacles in your life are removed. It's better if you chant this mantra, one mantra for Saraswati, one mantra for Kalika, one mantra for Mahalakshmi. So it will be balancing. So don't worry, and muster your willpower and continue your fast. If not this time, then next time you will have to enjoy this fast and protect yourself from all the mega diseases and save your money. Yes. Thank you very much.